How to remove TikTok you may like suggestions. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can fix the TikToks you may like suggestions. So what you want to do first is go over to TikTok, and if you go over to the search bar at the top, you can just tap on it and you can see the you may like suggestions right here. So what you can do is just go ahead and tap on the profile icon. The first thing you can do is go over to your search icon and then tap cross on your recent searches. Just clear them out. And obviously you can just refresh your you may like contents. If you just tap and refresh, it keeps refreshing. But if that doesn't work, then go back to your profile, tap on the three dots at the top right, and then go to settings. Now from your settings, you want to scroll down and find your content and display. Then you want to head over to your activity center right here. And from here, you want to tap on your search history. And then all you have to do is tap on select at the top right. Select all of this and then tap on delete. You could also select all search history at the bottom left and then tap on delete all. Tap on delete and then your search history will be cleared. And after doing so, you can go back again and check for your stuff. So if you go back to home and then tap on search again, you can see if they haven't removed or refreshed, you could just go ahead and scroll down and tap on help us improve. Then you want to select the suggested searches are not interesting or personalized. Then select the ones that you don't want and then tap on submit. Tap on done and you'll be good to go. Now just refresh your TikTok. Just go ahead and close it out completely. Reopen it back again and you'll be good to go. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Like the video down below and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.